But Mensa Aka, one of the leading members, and of course, a national officer of the NPP, Dr. Richard Asante. Doc, great. So far, I want to say the organization of this year's conference.
I like the excitement. I agree to the whole program. I like to see various candidates out there campaigning, giving their messages to the delegates, and I like the attitude of the delegates. So, what they receive a message, you know, and
at least they say all.
Already on board, we met. And that is what you can see for the people talking about. Me can't imagine.
Yes, but what dream is
it? My dream is a also no be na delegates kasa. The delegates in Ekano,
but at the end of the day, delegates bet me have voted wrongly.
I want to be delegates. As a members of the party, you can feel the sentiments of the party members. So they are telling you what they want and what they will vote for. So you need to understand and appreciate those sides.
Yeah. Well, I'm just saying, I'm higher election headquarters AdomTV. So far, information about His Excellency the Vice President, but then the President of the Republic, His Excellency Akufo-Addo, then all is set. From the stance now, all delegates in the studio. Dr. Richard Asante Yeboah, a national officer. I don't know. General Secretary, you believe delegates Kasa and Koma John Bwedua, you are for it. National organizer, Enko for wine.
The national organizer, the delegates can say Omope Nana Bwachi. Omoto Abanamana, that's the party. When you belong to a party, whatever or son of the bewono, now the mother elephant, Nyobe Wama Yembiano will carry the person and then go ahead and fight and win the next election.
National Youth Organizer.
Yes.
National Youth Organizer.
Yes, you're hearing SM.
Salam Mustafa.
Yeah.
Women Organizer.
Women Organizer, we are hearing
Kejemfua. The National Treasurer.
I think we are hearing Dr. China. Charles Jamna. We are hearing Dr. China. That's what we are hearing.
More National First Vice.
First Vice.
Second Vice, third Vice.
First Vice, you know. We said interest can and to be because I'm hearing Chrissy, I'm hearing Rita Sobay, and hearing others. So
others like
it's three. So any of them will pass through.
Others like others like Omariwa de Kahumi.
Akabako.
Omariwa de Kahumi. What's it?
Rita Sobay Rebecca.
Rita Sobay and Hawaii.
Mati Chairman Kusi. Former Eastern Regional Chairman.
Oh, okay. And Hawaii.
And maybe Omariwa de.
Omariwa de. It's your three. First, vice, second, and third. Then finally, with these men, our Abobo Modino, can you break the 8?
With this, we can break the 8.
How?
Papa, Abana Yatrana Yato. Can we say last week? No fuel prices and in baby. And now Minoka say, ever from by 11%. So, last week, the labor unions, they were on strike asking for cola. Abana the cola momo. And then mamu, the fears of the people say, IMF in free education, you cancel. IMF family said, they are not touching free education. Masa, now, you know, Nipana and your more about power. And Yama Yamagana for I got 2.5 years and sent a trouble. They himself because of COVID. We are seeing baby a show. America demonstrations call UK demonstrations call Germany demonstrations, Italy, Spain, France, Canada. So there's general hardship across the globe. And no Ghana, you're not in a solution. But my culture will say, NPP are buying on. You're buying winning elections, you know, based on the part, you're able from nearby address challenges.
But is it because more solution to all the challenges, but more trying to get into election year? Nothing more easy the burden of Ghanaians because you want to win power and break the 8. Is that the case?
What's it?
Me say, is it because more solution need that to solve the challenges, but more try getting to election? No more release solutions, you know, because more person Ghana for to about
solution is there every day. Yadiba, before COVID-19, beba, Ghana growth, economic growth, yabeto 3.5, yadiko 78%, yabeto inflation of 15.4, yadiba 7.2. What must I say? BBPI cost, yadi free education buyer. Yeah, the one district, one factory buy. And the planting for food buy.
And the inflation was saying.
Nursing training allowance.
And the inflation was saying.
What's it then?
And the inflation that's saying.
And the inflation, maybe that was across the globe, you know. And then America, inflation is 40-year high.
Let's talk about
UK,
Africa.
Inflation is 40-year high.
About Africa.
Ghana, inflation, event saying 17-18-year high.
Yeah, no more comparison now.
What was it?
More the Côte d'Ivoire, more the neighboring countries.
Because we are in a global village. You cannot treat Ghana's situation in isolation from what is happening in other countries. Me patro said, America, and never say baby formula. Adriana and the man Kulaso Mundi, Omunya Bindi, Emma in Kulawu, Emma Mufa, military cargo, Echo Germany, any China, Echo Russia, baby formula. Can you say we are not in normal times? Say, and never we are dealing with Germany. Now, if I say Adriana Bois, any oil, and one I had chibo fruit, I had stew. They can't even get to buy on their shelves. Then we are not in normal time. And then economic hardship if UK, F4, so I'm a prime minister. So on resign here, it tells you say, and Akufo-Addo, and I'm a problem about. Say this is the global challenge. Who call Nigeria, Omunya Fu and talk. Cast a DQ for 3 days. Called do. So it tells you say we are not in isolation, but buying.
Okacherami said there is no way this government ever call IMF. Do you endorse the IMF decision now?
Akufo-Addo, what is that? Oh, mommy, and now Papa only need to demo. Now what Kachro said, only the Uncle Jebusian and free commercial bank. Obato Tonyama, now the salary no, Asomo super pepe. Ewahana Yaria Abba compound house na Mutino. Now compound house no. Omo modern society America, any Italy, New UK near the Omuma over 1.3 million ewu. Obi muma 500,000 ewu. Ghana Akufo-Addo and our papa in Shisha Panti. Nipa muwi no omu do 2,000. Osi still me ko Eko Jebusia and free commercial bank. Our hana fearful no one and what dance so no and to question Emma waja out of your light in Samaba Nyamamu Ayadin. Or say, because I'm in Kwajibusia, I'm a shaman, but and I'm near my million centi. Me, I'm a call IMF, and I'm a call commercial by Akwajibusia. Oh, Castle Papa, or a Sansani, or Bon who buy, do not bet me a show. Near Tasubim, or buying, I said, yes, I said, and where you won't know. Or my pain and I don't go for it. You're not the president, any president in history, or Adom, any papa, as some say Akufo-Addo. On supporting Ghana for, a baby, about supporting Ghana for Akufo-Addo.
Dr. Richard Asante Yeboah.